This is BrickGRC. Let us open the Brick Market and configure your first integration. So, what is a brick? BrickGRC is highly modular. Each integration is a brick that replaces one component of the platform with a tool you already use. You build it like a house, brick by brick, adding only the pieces you need. For example, to swap BrickGRC's built-in storage for your own Google Drive, you install and configure the Google Drive brick. The Brick Market is where you assemble BrickGRC. Integrations are grouped by what they do. Frameworks like ISO 27001 are the standards you assess against. Storage connects BrickGRC to where your files already live. Others add notifications, model providers, and the tools your team already uses. You install the ones that fit and skip the rest. Let us connect Google Drive as an example. So, your existing files become evidence without re-uploading them. Filter the catalog to storage. Find the Google Drive integration and install it. Storage keeps one provider active at a time. So, BrickGRC tells you if one is already connected. Now configure it. Google Drive connects through your own Google Cloud Service account, so your files stay in your control. You share the drives you want with that service account, then here you paste its email address and private key. You can point it at a single shared drive as the root, so it only sees what you choose. Before you save, click Test Connection. BrickGRC checks the access against Google directly, so you know it works before you commit. When the test passes, save it. And the integration is configured. This storage integration now replaces BrickGRC's built-in storage, so every document you create is saved straight to your Google Drive. In this example, your existing Drive files also appear inside BrickGRC, ready to attach as evidence on any control with no second copy. The files stay in your Drive. BrickGRC reads and writes them where they already live, using the access you granted. That is how you configure an integration in BrickGRC. Start at BrickGRC.com.